Whether you're a new teen driver or you've been driving for years, you've probably heard it said at least once that regular oil changes are essential for your vehicle's health. But do you know why routine oil changes are so important? And for those of you living in hot climates like Arizona, why are routine oil changes even more critical? That's exactly what we're going to answer today. To fully understand the importance of routine oil changes, it's a good idea to know what oil does for your vehicle. Engine oil has three primary functions: lubrication, temperature regulation, and friction reduction. The oil's age and condition plays a significant role in how smoothly and efficiently your vehicle operates. Like all good things in life, oil is not meant to last forever. As time and miles go by, it begins to break down and its effectiveness is impacted. When regular oil changes are not completed in a timely manner, the following problems can surface. Number 1. Reduced lubrication. One of oil's primary functions is to lubricate moving parts. With age and use, its ability to do that decreases. Parts that are not properly lubricated will experience increased friction as they rub together, leading to premature part failure and potential engine damage. Number 2. Temperature regulation issues. Oil helps to move heat away from the engine. Old and degraded oil can struggle to manage this heat, leading to overheating and increased engine wear. Number 3. Contaminant buildup. Oil collects dirt, debris, and other contaminants over time. Without regular oil changes, these impurities can circulate through the engine, causing clogs and reducing efficiency. Number 4. Reduced fuel economy. Clean, new oil helps engines work better and utilize fuel efficiently. Oil that's old or contaminated will make the engine work harder, leading to poor gas mileage. Regardless of where you live, routine oil changes are critical for your vehicle's health. But here in Arizona, or in similar climates with hot weather, it's even more important. That's because extreme heat can have a significant impact on oil and your vehicle. Take a look at these factors to consider. Number 1. Higher operating temperatures. The hotter the weather, the hotter your vehicle's engine runs. This increased heat can make oil break down more quickly, causing it to lose effectiveness long before it would in colder climates. Number 2. Increased evaporation. Oil is a liquid and as such is subject to evaporation. And the hotter the outside air temperature is, the more quickly oil will evaporate. If you live in Arizona or another area with extremely hot temperatures, be sure to regularly check oil levels, even between oil changes. Number 3. Hastened oxidation. Oxidation is a chemical reaction between oil and oxygen, during which the oil's makeup and structure is permanently changed. As a result of this process, oil begins to thicken and becomes less effective. Hotter temperatures make the oxidation process occur more rapidly. This means your vehicle's oil might need to be changed more frequently to maintain optimal performance and efficiency. Number 4. Dirt and debris buildup. Like other areas with hot climates, Arizona's dry and dusty environment can lead to more contaminants entering the engine. These particles can mix with the oil, making regular changes necessary to maintain engine cleanliness and performance. At Good Works Auto Repair, we understand the importance of preventative maintenance, including regular oil changes. That's why we don't just change the oil and filter during a routine oil service. We also complete a thorough 24-point inspection at no additional cost to you. We look at things like fluid levels, tire wear, battery condition, windshield wipers, and more. Then, we let you know what we find. You'll know what's essential to fix now, what can wait, and what to plan for in the future. This way, small problems can be identified and fixed before they become bigger, more expensive ones later. Whether you need routine maintenance or a more involved auto repair, we're here for all your car care needs. Schedule an appointment with us today and see why so many customers choose us as their go-to auto repair shop in the Phoenix, Tempe, Mesa, and Scottsdale area.